here too technical. As you can see, the kind people over at PITAKA is kind enough to send me out their PITAKA Ultra Slim case for my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So, as you can see, this is the back plate for the device. You do not get a front plate, but you just get a back plate. I have been using this for about 2 weeks now, and I love the look and the feel of this case. It's aramid fiber, so you get nice protection on the back. So if you drop your phone on the cameras, you will be good to go. The only thing with this case is you will need to get you a screen protector, which I had one, but it got nasty, so I'm in the midst of trying to get a new screen protector for my Z Fold 7, so I have to be very careful since I don't have a screen protector on there. But this is for people that want a more minimalistic looking and feeling device. They don't want to add too much heft or bulk to their phone. So this is what it would look like closed, and then if you open it up, this is what it's going to look like when you open up the device. As you can see, it's just for the front, the back display with the nice camera cutout. I like how that feels, and it does feel good in the hand, but do be careful, because if you have a lot of oils on your hand like me, it will pick up a lot of oils and smudges. But if you get you a cleaning cloth and just wipe that off, you will be good to go. This does have MagSafe capable charging and a MagSafe, so I could get me something like this if I wanted to, and put it on the device just like that. If I wanted to go somewhere and I didn't want to carry a purse, I'd have quick access to using their MagSafe wallet. And then here is my MagSafe charging cable. Place that on there, and it will just charge up the device just like that, which is not a bad thing. And then you will be able to use wireless charging with your device. Just like that, you'll be able to have access to wirelessly charge that. Let's just test out that magnet strength real quick. Let me get a MagSafe ring right there. This is their Moonrise MagSafe ring. I use this well with my Z Fold 7 in this case, because this matches really well, and this is from PITAKA, so it's just a MagSafe ring to where you can use it in this angle here if you wanted to, so you can watch your videos, or you can use it in this angle here also, or you can just fold it up and use it like that if that's something that you are into. You get access to that. So I like to match this case with this because they both have the blue and it just looks good. So now let me take you over to their website so you can see how much this will cost you if this is something that you want to pick up for yourself. Because PITAKA does make nice quality looking and feeling cases. Even if they are a little bit pricey, I'm okay with that because they're aramid fiber and they feel and look amazing. So you get this, hold on, let's see here, in 2 different colors. So you get it in this sunset, and I have a pop socket for sunset, but I don't have that sunset color. But you also get it in the Moonrise, which is the color they sent out to me. As you can see, this case will currently run you $59.99 plus tax, but it is well worth it, even though it's just the back back housing for the phone. It's very nice, and it's very lightweight, and it doesn't add any kind of bulk to your device. You also can come here and buy their Mag Ease grip, which is what this is called right here. And they have other things you can buy, but I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. Hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.